In today's fast-paced world, convenience and efficiency are key in the kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone who enjoys the occasional culinary adventure, having the right tools can make all the difference. This Cuisinart Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender is one such tool that promises to deliver versatility, power, and ease of use, all in one sleek package. In this detailed review, we'll explore what makes this hand blender a standout choice for home cooks and professional chefs alike. The first thing you'll notice about the Cuisinart Smart Stick Hand Blender is its solid and ergonomic design. Crafted from stainless steel, the blending shaft is not only durable but also resistant to stains and odors, which is a common concern with kitchen appliances. The 8-inch shaft is long enough to reach into deep bowls, pots, and pitchers, making it perfect for a variety of tasks, from pureeing soups to blending smoothies. The Comfort Grip handle is designed for ease of use, ensuring that even extended blending tasks don't strain your hands. Push-button control allows for continuous or pulse action, giving you complete control over your blending. This hand blender is thoughtfully designed with a variable speed slide control that lets you adjust the speed with just a flick of your thumb, making it versatile enough to handle both delicate and tough ingredients. At the heart of the Cuisinart Smart Stick is a powerful 300-watt DC motor. Unlike AC motors, DC motors are known for their efficiency and quieter operation, making this hand blender a pleasure to use without the usual loud noise that can disrupt your kitchen. The motor provides plenty of power for all your blending needs, whether you're whipping up a batch of creamy hummus, pureeing vegetables for a soup, or making a smoothie with frozen fruit. One of the standout features of this hand blender is its variable speed functionality. With a simple dial, you can switch from low to high speed, allowing you to tailor the blending speed to the specific task at hand. This makes it easy to achieve the perfect consistency, whether you're emulsifying a delicate sauce or crushing ice for a frozen drink. The Cuisinart Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender comes with a variety of attachments that add to its versatility. Included in the package are a 3-cup chopper grinder, a chef's whisk, and a 2-cup mixing measuring cup. These attachments are designed to make quick work of common kitchen tasks, saving you time and effort. Chopper grinder. This attachment is perfect for chopping nuts, grinding spices, or preparing small batches of pesto or salsa. 3-cup capacity is ideal for handling small to medium quantities, and the stainless steel blades ensure efficient and even chopping. Chef's whisk. The whisk attachment is a game changer for anyone who loves to bake. Whether you're whipping cream, beating egg whites, or mixing batter, the chef's whisk attachment handles it all with ease. Designed to aerate mixtures efficiently, ensuring that you get light and fluffy results every time. Mixing measuring cup. The included 2-cup mixing measuring cup is perfect for small blending tasks. It's made from durable, BPA-free plastic and is designed to fit perfectly with the blending shaft, minimizing mess and ensuring even blending. Using the Cuisinart Smart Stick Hand Blender is straightforward, thanks to its intuitive design. Push-button control and variable speed slide make it easy to switch between blending tasks, and the comfortable grip ensures that you can use it for extended periods without discomfort. The 8-inch blending shaft reaches deep into containers, making it ideal for both small and large batches. Cleaning is a breeze with this hand blender. The stainless steel blending shaft and attachments are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and easy. For the motorized handle, a simple wipe down with a damp cloth is all that's needed. The detachable design of the blender shaft makes it easy to separate from the motor, further simplifying the cleaning process. In real-world use, Cuisinart Smart Stick Hand Blender lives up to its promises. The powerful motor handles tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice with ease, while the variable speed control allows for precise adjustments. The stainless steel blades are sharp and durable, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. Whether you're making a quick smoothie for breakfast, pureeing a pot of soup, or whipping up a batch of fresh mayonnaise, this hand blender performs admirably. The included attachments further expand its capabilities, making it a true multitasker in the kitchen. Given its robust build quality, powerful motor, and versatile attachments, Cuisinart Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender offers excellent value for money. It's a durable kitchen tool that's built to last, and its performance rivals that of more expensive models. A 3-year limited warranty adds further peace of mind, ensuring that you're making a wise investment in your kitchen. Conclusion: the Cuisinart Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender is a top-tier kitchen tool that delivers on all fronts. Its powerful motor, versatile attachments, and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this hand blender is sure to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and versatile hand blender that can handle a wide range of kitchen tasks, the Cuisinart Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender is an excellent choice. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.